plus helping word plus verb plus ing plus object am is are. I am taking pen. I am not taking pen. We are taking book. We are not taking book. You are taking doll. We are not taking doll. He is taking clock. He is not taking clock. She is taking mobile. She is not taking mobile. It is taking bag. It is not taking bag. They are taking bat. They are not taking bat. Past continuous tense subject plus helping word plus verb plus ing plus object was where I was taking pen. I wasn't taking pen. We were taking book. We weren't taking book. You were taking dollar. We weren't taking dollar. He was taking clock. He wasn't taking clock. She was taking mobile. She wasn't taking mobile. It was taking bag. It wasn't taking bag. They were taking bat. They weren't taking bat. Future continuous tense. Subject plus helping word plus verb plus ing plus object. Shall be, will be. I shall be taking pen. I shall not be taking pen. We shall be taking book. We shall not be taking book. You will be taking dollar. You will not don't taking dollar. He will be taking clock. We won't be taking clock. She will be taking mobile. She won't be taking mobile. It will be taking bag. It won't be taking bag. They will be taking bag. They won't be taking bat.